Hey folks, welcome to the workshop on this cold and frosty day. It's Mark here, and I just want to show you our double stack side door. Now this is our double stack back door, our very popular double units, very popular with dog walkers and professional dog trainers and the likes. But if you follow me around here, we have finally come out with our double stack at the side door. So this here, our DT500, a lot of people have it at the side door. Well, this is a bit of a different setup. It's a bit more angled with the bulkhead, this model. And then there's two rims on top of it that hold this here crate. Now that crate, it would do like cockers and smaller breeds and stuff. You may even fit a spaniel on it, in it. But yeah, it's good and deep. So the top box is 850 deep. 850 millimeters deep, and then the bottom box, it is 950 millimeters deep, 550 wide at the bottom, and I think roughly about 440 wide at the top. But yeah, this is our Ford Connect. It's a short wheelbase, and you know, it means this can, you know, transport a lot of dogs comfortably. So yeah, so that's it. Now there also is another option we do. We do the escape doors if you have a double side door like this here. We have a double side door. Hold on to just go round. Yeah, we do an option where you can have the doors at the back end as well. If you have like a, you know, double side doors like this one. So yeah, check it out on our website, dtboxes.co.uk, and yeah, it's a great option if you're a dog walker, dog trainer, transporting dogs. And it fits very nicely with our double stack. So yeah, cheers. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.